Have you discovered one thing on your YouTube channel, most especially on your videos? Many times you have uploaded your videos, and right now some of your videos are getting views, and later on these videos, their views continue to decrease, or let me say the new videos you just published on your new YouTube channel are not generating a lot of views anymore. This is a channel views down problem, which I'm going to share with you today. So guys, welcome back to Grow with Donor YouTube channel. Here I'm going to share with you some updates on how you can possibly set your YouTube channel to get discovered by large amount of audience, because this issue is maybe you just created your YouTube channel, and getting a new YouTube channel, you actually need to wait for the YouTube algorithm to actually knows the kind of audience your videos are currently targeting. Because currently right now, even though my channel is only visible to one single country, so you cannot be expecting a lot of views as a new YouTube channel immediately, because YouTube algorithm will continue to test your videos in some certain kind of geographical area. Now let me ask you these questions. Just go to your YouTube analytics and check under your audience, check the geographical area, which country is currently watching your content. That is what will actually make you to know that is your channel actually growing or it is not growing. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you the step-by-step settings you can actually activate it on your YouTube channel studio and start getting views, start getting your videos to the large amount of audience. So without delaying much of our time, now let's jump into the show. Now the first thing you are going to do is go to your YouTube studio dashboard. Now I'm on my YouTube studio dashboard. The first thing you do is go to settings. It is below your right hand side. Click on settings, click on channel. The first thing is go to feature eligibility. These three features must be enabled: the standard features, the intermediate features, and the advanced features. These are the settings you actually need to activate it immediately after you have created your YouTube channel. So that's not where I'm even going to, because I believe that this has already been done. And if you have not done it already, I've made a video on them which you can possibly watch on how to activate these three features. Now, to get your videos to the large amount of audience, now go to advanced settings. Look at the audience. This audience simply means how you set your YouTube channel to the right audience, to large amount of audience from different kind of country. Now the first thing I actually would want you to do is tick this no. Set this channel as not made for kids. I almost never upload content that is made for kids. Yes, if your content are not targeting kids, just click on this no. Click on it, because if you don't click on this no, if you set it to yes and your content are not made for kids, your video will only be restricted for the kids. The adults will not be seeing your videos. So that's why you need to first of all click on no. Now move downward and check this automatic captions. Tick this automatic captions. Yes, the reason why you need to tick it is the way you are making your content, YouTube actually translate your language into captions. So people who are unable to understand what you are saying, at least they will be able to read what the captions is telling them. So this is another way for you to optimize your video and start getting lots of views, because once if you are making content and you are speaking your language and your content is visible to another people from different country and they are unable to understand your language, but the YouTube algorithm actually translate the captions of what you are saying into their current language, you are going to get views. People will stay and watch the video. Now the next thing you need to do is this automatic doubling. Take this automatic doubling. Yes, allow automatic doubling. Why it is very, very important is let's say you are making content, you are in Nigeria, and people from Thailand, people from Asia, people from Malaysia, people from Spain, they actually want to watch your videos, and the language you are speaking, maybe you are speaking your dialect, and they will they will not be able to understand your language. But this automatic doubling will now automatically translate your language into their specific language in their country. So that's why you need to allow automatic doubling. That's the work of AI. It will change the language of your videos to their current geographical language. So it is very, very important for you to tick this allow automatic doubling, and this manually review dubs before publishing. Just tick them the way I'm showing you. Tick them, so people from different countries will be able to watch your content even though you are not speaking their language. So that's why you need to allow AI to translate your language into their own language. Now this advertisement, do not tick it for now. Do not tick it, because if you tick it, this one, it will actually affect your revenue. That's why I don't actually want you to tick it. Now clips, allow viewers to clip my content. Yes, the reason why I'm allowing viewers to clip my content is for more promotion, because if YouTube can actually, if videos, let me say, if viewers can possibly clip your content and make content from your videos, you are going to get promotion. Because if that video actually go viral, they will want to know which content they have get this clip, and that's how that kind of video will be directing viewers to your videos. So that's why you should allow it. Now go to video quality enhancement. Yes, it is very, very important, because nobody is going to watch the video that is not clear, the clip that is not enhanced enough. So even though if your camera is okay, everything is okay, you can still allow the YouTube algorithm to enhance the video quality and also the audio quality. So always let these two features to be ticked. Now third-party training, no, do not tick this third-party training. Do not allow it, because this one will actually make AI to get much of your videos. So you shouldn't click on these features. Just leave it like that. Do not click it. Now let's go to upload defaults. Go to advanced settings. Now categorize your video. Is very, very important. Categorize your content, because if you are making videos on comedy and you did not categorize it under comedy, you are targeting the wrong audience. So since my content is strictly made for how to, that's why I click on how to. That's it. So that's how you do it. So do not, just ensure that you categorize your content to a specific niche, and that's how you actually set your channel properly for views, because you need to get your videos to large amount of views as a new YouTube creator. Now after that, just click on save. Click on save. Now the next thing is just go to the channel customization. You will see it at the left hand side, the bar. Just click on the second to the last. Now click on home tab. Now look at this home tab. Tick this home tab, ensure that it is on, and also the layer, click on add section. Now see how you can actually set your home tab channel, because immediately as people go to the YouTube channel to watch videos and they discover your videos, some people will actually want to enter your channel and see how it is being customized. So this is how you customize it. Now ensure that you allow video, and you can equally allow popular videos. If one of your videos is popular, you can easily allow it, and short videos should be disabled, should be displayed, and also the collaboration and past live streams, everything should be enabled, and equally created playlist. Ensure that all this your channel layout is being properly set. And I want you to know one thing: the for you section is very, very important. Why it is very, very important is just click on these small settings. Now recency, click on recency, or let me say recent content only. The reason why you need to allow for you to display the recent content only is any video you just uploaded, this video will be visible to people who just visited your channel. So and this will actually generate a lot of views for you. But if you go and click all content, let me tell you, even though your old content will be displayed there, and your old content, these are the content that has already passed, so it will not attract the viewers. So that's why I will show you should allow recent content only, and let me show you why it is very, very important. Now see the layers of my of my channel. So that's how you actually need to ensure that yes, you set your channel page properly, set it properly. The for you section will contain the recent videos you just uploaded, and that's how you do it. Then after that, just click on publish. Then your channel will be properly set. So these are the kind of settings you actually need to turn on while making your while setting your channel for down low views. Yes, these are the problem. If you are having a low views, these are the problems. So you can properly set it like this, and get your content to large amount of audience. So guys, this is the video I actually said I'll share with you. If you have any comment based on this, do let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And if you don't understand anyone, let me also know in the comment section, as I will be sharing you more updates based on that. So thank you guys.
Yeah.